welcome back to the channel. This is Gaming Kimmy 330 and I am your host Kim. Hello my gamers, how are we all doing? Well, yesterday after I stopped filming I did a lot on the island and I even went to a treasure island. Now the treasure island took me forever because my internet was running slow. So I did get some things, we put some things away, we moved some things around on the island, and I will show you everything I wound up doing yesterday. So we're going to get into today's video. Hello there, everyone. Right now in Adamstown, it is 6:13 p.m. on Monday, November 3rd. Now for today's announcements. We have a new friend on our island. Let's give a big Adamstown welcome to Chops. He is the one that was staying in our campsite, so we had to invite him. Chops, on behalf of your new family island, welcome aboard. Also, the most wonderful thing happened to Adamstown today. The Able Sisters tailoring shop opened. Woohoo! The tailor shop will have all the fashion items you'd expect, as well as custom design gallery. Woohoo! Custom design, that's what we want. This is a great chance for everyone to enjoy new styles and maybe start our own Adamstown trends. And of course, we'll be holding a special ceremony to celebrate the happy news. If you're interested in participating and have the time, please check in with Tom Nook at Resident Services. And with that, we'll get back to work supporting you and enjoying your enjoyment of our island. God, I can't talk tonight. Okay, here we go. We'll show you everything. We'll start with my little outfit. Isn't that the cutest thing? Get our mail here. Happy Home Academy gives us a gift. Nook Mileage Program gives us a gift. Nook Mileage Program gives us a gift. Alright, let's see what we got here. Let's turn around. We got gifts. Oh, a yucca, which is a plant. A snack machine. Oh, that's right, I bought these. And the drink machine. Yep, I bought them. Okay, first I want to show you the house. You're gonna be surprised. We decorated. Look, 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 look. We got, whoops. My gosh, if I can turn it right. We got a Christmas tree with some presents. Is that not cute? Come on. Okay, and we're gonna go down to the basement. We have a new basement, which has nothing in it. So, let's see if we got something we can stick in it. We don't. Well, for now, we'll stick this in. For now. I might as well stick our plant. Okay. That's all we can do. Okay, now. Have to take you to see the island. We decorated the island a little bit. As you can see, I got some flowers. We have the Christmas balls, ornaments. Oh, got two things. And look, right at our Resident Services, we have a Christmas tree. I think that was all I put up. Yes, that was all I put up. Okay. So we'll do our... Let's do it. Yeah, it's got a proper basement. We're gonna pay it off too. It's gonna kill us to do that, but we're gonna do it. We can't increase the size of your house any further. Well, with all the furniture and trinkets you've collected, I suspect your storage is becoming quite full. So once this loan is paid off, I'd like to offer you a new service, expanding your home storage. Now, we're going to have to do that for the 3.0 update because you'll be allowed to upgrade your storage even more. So I want to take the storage of the house as far as it will go. So we will do that. Okay. Wednesday. It's about our campsite. Waiting for visitors is okay, but maybe you're interested in taking a more proactive approach. If so, you could use the amiibo to invite guests to the campsite with the new service I've added. Woohoo! You can access the service via the Nook Stop. It works with Animal Crossing characters amiibo. Okay. So, we're not going to do it today, but we will do it. Alright, we want to pay off the loan payment. Oh, take up half of our cash. We don't have much left. Yay. How much money do I have? 60,000. 60,000. I think we're gonna want to get. I forget how much it is. We'll take 1 million to be on the safe side. Okay. We paid it off in full. Expand your home, but your house is as grand as it gets. I have something else to offer you. However, for free, of course. Nook guarantees its work for life. And as a small token of my appreciation, I'm proud to offer you a lifetime of free exterior renovations, which we will. Limit 1 per day. Terms and conditions apply. Yes, yes. I'm legally required to say that. Oh yes, there's one other thing for us to discuss. Although we cannot expand your house any further, maybe we could look into expanding the size of your home storage, Unfortunately, such construction would not come cheap. So I'd need the entire cost to be paid up front. Of course you would. Now, I imagine that as your house has grown, you've placed quite a few things in your storage room. Then before you know it, your storage is full. And where does your old couch go then? Where indeed? That's what expanded storage would aim to solve. So think it over, and tell me if you'd like to know more. And on that note, I'd just like to say I hope that Nook Inc. continues to serve you for years to come. And once again, congratulations. Okay, we're gonna talk about the home. I want to expand the storage. Yep. I forget how many. 500. Okay. I wasn't sure. Yep, let's do it. Okay, so one at a time. Okay, now we will go take a look at all the residents, and we'll see what I did. I did lots yesterday. Oh, let's go to the store first. Let's go to the Little Sisters clothing store. Woohoo! I can finally get some shoes. Hey there, welcome to Able Sisters, where we sell fashions made lovingly by claw. Okay, it's a great spot finder Wednesday. Thanks for picking this fantastic location for us. We decided to put down roots here in Adamstown and keep selling our clothes and accessories. Here, let me give you a quick tour of our shop. Okay, so when you first walk in, you'll find the recommended items right here. Front and center. We change these up every single day, you know, to keep things fresh. Then, over on the left, you'll find our mannequins. They're dressed up in whatever seasonal outfits we're into. We change them up from time to time rather than daily. Still, we hope you'll be inspired. And of course, if you see something on the mannequins you love, you're more than welcome to buy it. Which brings us to the back wall. Here you will find custom designs brought in by our customers. We'd love to display your designs, of course, and if you want any of these designs, they're yours for free. Speaking of custom designs, next to the wall displays, you will find our custom design portal. There it is. You can use that kiosk to order designs from creators all over the world and even share your own. And the last thing I want to tell you is about the fitting room. It's on the right side of the shop in the back. This is where you can go to try on anything that's available for sale that day, including all the color variations. Our display space is limited, so the fitting room is also the place to check out items we couldn't put out. Yeah, the fitting room is really great, and it's a terrific way to see how an outfit is coming together. I think that's everything. Wow, I guess I get kind of chatty when I'm talking about the shop. We're open every day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I hope I'll be seeing you in here lots. Oh, you will. Alright, now we're gonna try to talk to this one, which it takes her a while. Sorry, can't talk. She does that a while. It takes about a week, maybe 2 weeks, and then she'll start talking to you. That's our fitting room. Go in there to try stuff on, and if you like it, you can buy it right then and there. It's a great way to see how things actually look on you, and you can try multiple things on at once, too. It's super convenient, so please feel free to use it anytime. And that's what we're gonna do. Ooh, what's we got for sale? Okay, we're Wednesday, so we want anything dark. So we're gonna take that. I don't think I need any hats or glasses. I want shoes. What do we have in shoes? Oh my gosh. The first time I come, there's nothing. Alright, I guess we'll take this for now. Do we want to wear it? No, I don't want to wear it. Couldn't buy much on our first time. Thanks, please come again. We didn't make out so well, but that's okay. Okay. As you can see, we have a house missing. I transferred that up. We'll take a quick peek in these two that are home, and then we'll go up on the cliffs. There's Mr. Clay. What do you think of my place? Make yourself comfy. I want to chat. I love drawing and use all kinds of stuff. Colored pencils, crayons, finger paint, snack dust. Crayons are so cool. They're little strips of color that you rub on paper and turn the paper to that color. Crayons can be trouble though. They break easy. They melt if you sit on them for too long. And the doctor always says, I told you not to put these in your nose. She says it every time. Well, you shouldn't be putting them in your nose then, dude. Oh, this one isn't home. Who is this? This is Carrie. Okay. Alright, let's go up and check it out. As you can see, I put 2 lots here. Oh, this one is for Norma. I went and used Nook Miles tickets. I had to hit 5 islands and I found Norma. Norma is a pink cow. I had Norma before on other islands and I really liked her. Although I probably won't keep her, but she's at least good enough for now. And I'm going to have to build a bridge here. This is probably the new one. Yep, this is Chops. Wednesday, glad to see you. The Chops Express has arrived on Adamstown. It's a very messy train that needs to do some unpacking right now, so I'll have to catch you later. Tomorrow, we'll be able to start interacting with Chops. This is the one that was in our campsite. And there's this guy out exercising. Don't forget to cool down after a workout if you don't want to overeat. Plus, it helps build even more muscles. Okay. She's got nothing in her house. Got a groove going now. This is starting to rock. Oh, you? What you doing? What am I doing? Check it out. I'm making an iron garden bench. I do not like this one. This DIY takes a major elbow grease, so I like to go all in on it. It's so worth the effort, though. You want to give it a whirl? I can show you if you want. Definitely, let's do this. Thought you'd say that. Alright, there's the recipe. Go study up. I can't wait to see how it comes out. There's nothing like building something with your own hands. I may have to build this girl a frickin' bed. And maybe a chair to go with her table. She is nothing. Okay. And then the other spot is up front here. As you can see, we have 2 plots here. That is the rest of the land that could be sold that we could do, so we're ready. And there's my new staircase, and this goes into my orchard. I'll tell you what, let's put this away. Let's put that there. Okay. Let's go put these machines where I want them. Oh, crapola. I usually put them next to resident services. There we go, finally. Okay. There's the one. Here's the other. Perfect. I put them there. Okay. Now, let's dig up. We got 2 of them here, and we got there we go. Got it. Oh, the nails. Now we got that done. Okay. Let's put this away. Actually, let's put these away. Now, I do believe I have some fossils in mine. I think I just threw. Oh, my knee. My knee's bothering me tonight. Okay. You know what? We're going to put this somewhere outside. We're going to put these up above. I have another one of these. I want to put this on my front door. Do I have fossils? I thought so. Okay. Let's do her. Look, got something coming up on my computer here. Okay, where are we at for time? We are at 19 minutes. Boy, the time just flies. Just flies. I'm gonna stick on my home. Perfect. Now that look ready? Okay, now maybe we'll do up. Perfect. Okay, we'll go get rid of these. Let's grab this one. Alrighty, let's go see Mr. Blathers. And today I'm just drinking ice water. What the whistle? Well, hello, Wednesday. Welcome to Adamstown Museum. How may I be of service? How about you list my parcels? I see. Let's take a closer look, shall we? I found something that is not yet part of our Steam collection, so we're gonna get it. Oh, he's gonna get it, not us. Yep, we're gonna do it, don't you worry, man. Get rid of them. Yep, you think on it. You gotta take a look at me, and that's about it. Okay, I think we're gonna do Nook Miles. We're gonna look for another resident. I think is what we'll do. I'll take all the Nook Miles tickets I have with me, and we'll go look. Think about it, give me a good price. 30,000, we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, we'll take it. Alright, get out of my way because I'm going to buy this chair. Yeah, I think we could spare 760. saying old. Ooh. This might go good at Wednesday's house. What is this? Basic wall? No, I don't think we want a basic wall. Tall print, yellow, blossom. No. Wednesday wouldn't want any of that. Okay. Let's go to our house, get our Nook Miles tickets, and then we'll go on a little trip. See if we can't find another resident for our home. Our island. Our home. Our island. Which way I run? What I'm gonna do is put this flooring down in the basement. I guess we'll put it in storage for now. Oh, that's right. I got these for my mantle. So let's go upstairs and see if we can stick the stockings on the mantle. I bet you I won't be able to because... Okay. Alright, we'll stick them on the wall. That works. They go on the wall. That works. Alright. Oh, let's put this away. Do what I did yesterday in order to get Norma. This is exactly what I did. I took Nook Miles tickets. It took me 5 islands to find Norma. Yep, I feel like using it. Use them. We got 25 of them. Cool already. Oh. It's going to take us to a random island that has residents on it. 1 resident per island. Okay, let's see who we got. Don't tell me to go. Oh my god, a monkey. No way. No monkeys. We already got the T-sign. Alright, let's go. Let's go, dude. So this is why you need a few Nook Miles tickets. Because there's just some I will not get. Will not get. So now we go through the whole process over again. My nose is itching. I think I have a cat. Piece of cat fur on it. Next island. Let's see what we can do. I probably won't get my greenies, but we can at least get somebody that's bearable. Oh! This is a bamboo island. They are few and far between. I may dig up some of this stuff here. Okay, we'll take her. Celia. She's an eagle. We will take her. I've had her before. She's very nice, very sweet. Move to my island. Thank you for encouraging me. I ran into you. I never expected to be invited to live on your island. Unless you were just teasing me. Nope. You really mean it, fellas? I love it there. This is so exciting. Can't wait to start packing up in my big move after this tour. If I remember right, I'm supposed to contact someone named Tom Nook about relocating feathers. I'd better do that before I forget. Okay, so we are going to come in here, and any of these should be something over here. Of course, we had to pick up a freaking. We want these little bamboo shoots. This is what starts, and it grows on your island. The bamboo, because you will need bamboo. Now, if you take this one, the stone axe, does not chop it down, and you will get 3 bamboo. We'll do one more here. Okay, that'll be enough bamboo. We'll grab this. When I was playing up, there goes my axe or shovel. It was only flimsy, so we're okay. Oh, I need wood, and I don't have wood here. All right, let's ask him for a tool. I need tools. Yep, sounds good. Thank you. I didn't know it would be so cheap. Where is it? Right there. Okay. We will gather more shells. Alright. We will gather our supplies. Alright. See you later, Celia. Okay. Here we go. We're back home. Now, if we go up, the next plot should have Celia's name on it. Which means she is coming to our island. Yay! She's a good one. I've had her before. I've had Celia and Sterling. So she must be going right here. Celia. Yep, she's going right here. So we have this one. No, we don't have this one. This is Norma. Yes, this is Norma. I'm gonna see if I can get a it went too far. So we have these two plots left open yet. So maybe tomorrow we can get another one. Let's see, what do I have? Oh, I've got plenty. I've got plenty of money. Let me see if I can get a bridge across that one way. Let me see. Okay. Marketing. The most difficult part of our whole venture. Don't you worry, Mr. Nut. As long as we all work together, I'm sure we'll reach our goal of having KK hold a concert here. You feel the same way I do, don't you, Wednesday? Dreams do come true. It's Bill Wednesday. Thank you so much. And we're determined than ever. We're not done yet. Wednesday, and we're all counting on you. When you're ready, talk to me about the next part of the project. Okay. We gotta do our ceremony. Gotta do this. Oh God, don't worry one. The tailor shop and incline. We don't need to do one for an incline. Let's do the tailor shop. That's fine. Okay, here we are. Now then, welcome to our dedication ceremony in honoring Adamstown brand new tailors. We're all here. Thank you. Thanks to everyone's tireless efforts, Adamstown is developing wonderfully. Yes, yes. At this time, we'll have some brief comments from Mabel and Sable, who will be running the tailor shop. Ladies, if you'd be so kind. Thanks to everyone, we've been able to open such a lovely shop here. I'll work hard with my sister Sable to make a nice place for you all to visit, so be sure to stop by. Yes, please stop by. Mabel, Sable, thank you both so much. Next, a few words from many valuable contributions so that the tailor shop could be built. Take it away, Wednesday. Anything to add? We're amazing. Yes, yes, indeed. Thank you for your heartfelt and encouraging sentiments there, Wednesday. Everyone, please get ready to join and bring in the ceremony to a close. Also, those wishing to take a photo should get ready to press the 0 button. Yes, well then, with hope for our continued growth and to celebrate Adamstown beautiful tailors. Hooray! Nice! This concludes our ceremony. Okay. we can get a stinking bridge across. Like that. See if we can do it. Let's see if they'll let us put it where we want to. I don't think so because the land is jagged. I don't think it's going to allow me. But I could be wrong. Well, it's going to let me. Perfect. Yes, this is perfect. I'm so glad it let me. Okay, and as you can see, I got a tree right in the way. So, do I have fruit? I have a coconut I can use. Eat one. Okay. Awesome sauce. Let me just move these guys out the room. These guys out the room. Okay. Looks good. We'll pick this up. Away. Let's put this away. As you can see, I planted some more of the palm trees, more coconuts on this side of the island. I just planted them sporadically. Man, my nose keeps itching. Okay. Go ahead and get all of this up, and we'll turn all of this in, and we'll be done with that episode for today. A lot more shells today than other days. Which is good, because that means more money when we sell them. Put a bridge over here. Almost done, guys. These shells. Because I have too many. And we'll sell the coconuts too. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, looks like we got some Nook Miles, so let's go ahead and check in with the Nook Miles. Yep, up top here. See if there is anything down here. Oops, yep. Ooh, we got some nice Nook Miles. Dream house, this should be the last one. No, we can't upgrade the house anymore. Okay, that was it for Nook Miles. Let's see what we got new. There's the Iron Garden bench. Isn't that pretty? We'll have to make one of them and stick that out. Let's get rid of this. Oh, let's check this out. Let's get the message in a bottle first. Bone door plate. Okay. Okay, let's empty out our pockets. Okay. Alrighty, thank you so much for joining me for today's episode. Please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, and you all have a great gaming day. Bye-bye. I love you all. Bye-bye.